Hello and welcome back to my channel Knitting Kitty. This is the second part of the tutorial on how to crochet this cute and colorful kitten. When we finish crocheting the head and the body, next step is to join the two parts together. When it comes to an amigurumi, usually the head is a closed piece and the body is an open one. One way to join the parts together is to cut a piece of yarn of the same color as the head and the body, then with a darning needle sew the pieces together. In this tutorial I want to show you another way to join these parts using the surface stitch. We are going to crochet a small circle on top of the body and then we will sew the head. First step is to mark where we want to sew the head using bubble pins. In this case, the head will be attached at the beginning of the body. Insert the hook between two rows or two stitches where we've put one of the bubble pins. Grab the yarn and chain one to secure. Continue as you were crocheting normal single crochet. Insert the hook between two rows or two stitches, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have two loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Our first surface stitch is ready. Continue crocheting single crochet and making a small circle. The bubble pins indicate where to put the single crochet. I've made 11 single crochet in total. Don't worry if you don't have this exact number of stitches. What matters is that the circle is smaller than the head when we attach it to the body. Finish with a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet we've made at the beginning. Leave a long tail for sewing. Now use a darning needle and hide the initial yarn tail. Attach the head to the body on top of the small circle we've made. Use the long yarn tail we left and a darning needle and sew both parts together. Next step is to crochet the ears. Crochet one of the ears in grey color yarn and the other one in mustard color yarn. I've already crocheted the grey ear. Now I have to repeat the same steps and crochet the other one. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into it. For round 2, crochet single crochet in the first stitch, then make an increase. Repeat 1 single crochet, then make an increase. At the end you will have 9 stitches. For round 3, make a single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. For round 4, crochet single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat 2 single crochet, then in the next one make an increase. Repeat till the end of the round until we have 12 stitches. For round 5, crochet single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat 3 single crochet, then in the next one make an increase. Repeat these steps till the end of the round until we have 15 stitches. For round 6, crochet single crochet in the first 4 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat 4 single crochet, then make an increase. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 18 stitches. Finish with a slip stitch and leave a long tail for sewing. Do not stuff the ears, just flatten them. Now let's sew the ears. Attach them on top of the head with 1 or 2 stitches in between. Attach the grey ear on top of the mustard part of the head and the ear in mustard color yarn on top of the grey part. Next, we are going to crochet the back legs. This time use ecru and gray color yarn. Repeat the same steps you did for the head from round 1 to round 3. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into it. For the second round, crochet an increase in each stitch of the previous round. For round 3, make single crochet in the first stitch, then in the next one make an increase. 1 single crochet, then in the next stitch make an increase. Repeat these steps till the end of the round and you have 18 stitches. For round 4, crochet single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat 2 single crochet, then make an increase. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 24 stitches. For round 5, crochet single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. For round 6, crochet single crochet in the first 6 stitches, then make 6 decreases one after another, and then finish with another 6 single crochet. At the end of the round you will have 18 stitches. For round 7, crochet single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then make 6 decreases one after another, and then finish with another 3 single crochet. At the end of the round you will have 12 stitches. Stuff the legs a little bit, then change to gray color yarn and crochet 3 rounds of single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. Finish with a slip stitch and leave a long end for sewing. Then stuff a little bit more the legs. Now, let's sew the back legs to the body. Attach them between round 9 and round 10 of the body. Finally, we are going to crochet the tail. For the tail, combine ecru, mustard and gray color yarn. Start crocheting with the ecru color yarn. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into it. For round 2, crochet an increase in each stitch of the previous round. Now let's crochet 4 rounds without any increases. Make single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. For round 7, change to mustard color yarn and crochet single crochet in the first 4 stitches, then make 2 decreases one after another, and next crochet single crochet in the last 4 stitches. You will have 10 stitches in total. From round 8 to round 10, crochet single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. Next, change to gray color yarn and crochet 4 rounds with single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. Change to mustard color yarn for the last time and crochet another 4 rounds with single crochet in each stitch of the previous round. Make a slip stitch and leave a long tail for sewing. Finally, sew the tail on the body. Now it's time for final touches. Use a thinner black yarn and embroider the eyes. Next, use pink color yarn and embroider the nose in the form of a small triangle. I am using 100% cotton yarn of the brand Alize Bella. Finally, use again thinner black yarn and embroider the whiskers. And our kitten is ready. I really hope you've enjoyed my tutorial. See you soon!